Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your TCL 205. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Click on Get Started. Choose the account you want to use for this classroom. Now let's move on to the next step, and here click on the plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after that click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.